Betty signed a one-year contract for a smartphone with S-Mobile. She has agreed to pay the same amount each month for a total of $776.64 for the entire year. Assuming Betty does not pay any additional fees, what is the amount of her monthly phone bill? Joe needs to dive underwater to a depth of 110.5 feet to reach his exploration site. About 3/5 of the way down, Joe stops, then realizes he forgot his tools and must turn back. What is the depth when he stops? Number 3. Which of the following is the solution to the inequality x over 2 plus 9.7 is greater than or equal to 17.3? Number 4. Andrea needs to purchase 2.8 pounds of bananas that cost 60 cents per pound and 3 pounds of apples that cost 77 cents per pound. If she gives the cashier $10, how much change will she receive? Number 5. Phil started at an altitude of 30 feet and climbs up a cliff at a rate of 135 feet per hour. Which of the following represents the equation and solution for x, the number of hours it'll take Phil to reach an altitude of 2,055 feet? Number 6. Which of the following equations have the correct solution? 3x plus 5 equals 20. X equals -5. Number 2. -5 plus 3x equals -29, where x equals -8. 3. X divided by 12 minus 5 equals 7, where x is 144. Number 7. Which of the following is a solution for the inequality -5x plus 20 is less than 130? Number 8. Amber wants to go to the movies with her friends. Each movie ticket costs $6. Amber will buy popcorn and a drink for herself, which comes out to $7.25 with tax. She will spend no more than $50. Which inequality can be used to determine x, the number of tickets Amber can purchase without going over her budget? 6x plus 725 is less than or equal to 50. Which graph illustrates the possible number of tickets she can purchase without going over her budget? Number 9. Miss Saldana's class is collecting bags of candy. She has 3 bags of candy and will collect 2 bags of candy each day until they reach their goal of 27 bags of candy. Which of the following equations could be used to determine d, the number of days they need to collect bags of candy? The area of the tabletop is shown below, 30 2/3 square feet. The width of the tabletop is 4 feet. What is x, the length of the tabletop? Use your formula chart to help you. Miss Guest wants her art club students to create a sand art project. She gives each student 5/4 pounds of blue sand and 2 2/3 pounds of pink sand. How many total pounds of sand will each student receive? Number 12. Jasmine, Matthew, and Mason received a check from their parents for $125. Mason will get 2/5 of the total amount, and Matthew will get $43.75. How much money will Jasmine receive if she is given the remaining amount of the check? 13. What is the value of the expression shown? -7.5, parentheses 2 plus a -4. Number 14. The table below shows the number of hours each student spent watching TV over the weekend. How many total hours did the students spend watching TV? 15. The diagram below shows the relationship between sets of numbers. Which of the following statements is not true? A. All integers are rational numbers. B. All natural numbers are integers. C. All integers are whole numbers. D. All whole numbers are rational numbers. 16. Miss Johnson asked her class to draw a representation showing the relationship between integers and natural numbers. Michael and James's representations are shown below. Whose representation is correct? F. Michael is correct because all natural numbers are integers. G. James is correct because integers and natural numbers don't have a relationship. H. Both are correct because some natural numbers are integers and some are not. J. Neither one is correct because all integers are natural numbers. 17. Which graph represents the solution set of the inequality below? Negative 3x minus 23 is greater than or equal to 7. The model of an equation is shown below. What is the value of w makes the equation true? 19. The model represents the equation 2x minus 4 equals negative 8. What is the value of x? Number 20. Which situation can be represented by the inequality 4x minus 25 is less than or equal to 125? F. Frank bought 4 tires at X dollars each. He had a coupon for a $25 discount. The total came to less than or equal to 125. G. Frank bought 4 tires for X dollars each. He paid $25 in shipping for a total less than or equal to $125. H. Frank bought 25 tires for X dollars each. He paid $4 in shipping for a total less than or equal to $125. J. Frank bought X tires for $25 each. He paid $4 in tax for a total less than or equal to $125.